Water is not just a need, it's a right, and I am here to help you make it work. Hi, I am Rupesh, civil engineer and site specialist. Welcome to WaterWorks360, where we decode water system from borewell dowsing to pipeline construction, water testing and treatment plants. This channel is for engineers on site, contractors in the field, students preparing for real-world projects, and even villagers who want clean, safe drinking water. Every week, you will get practical training, real site walkthrough, borewell success tips, water testing techniques, and expert advice on maintenance and e-designs. All simplified and field tested. No fluff, only what works. We combine science, hands-on techniques, on-site experience, so that you don't just learn, you grow into a confident water system expert. Subscribe to WaterWorks360 by Rupesh and become the expert of your project and your pupil truly need. Hit the bell icon and join a growing community of water smart builders. Let's make water work for everyone.